This is the elevator at the Bovie house in Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's an Otis Gen2 from 2013. Hook up to 4. Blue LED since it's a slightly older install. Elevator 1. I doubt there's another elevator here. This is a Gen 2, newer Series 2 panel. Here are 4. Some of those noises are not very good. There's the hallway. Go back down to 1. ADA phone. Pretty basic cab floors. Your panel. In case fire nights elevators, you know this. This one actually does have an alarm bell. You're back on 1. Here's your LED lighting. There goes an exit. There are mailboxes.